What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. We're checking back in. It is August 16th, 2022, and we're throwing it back to one of my old setups. Well, it's actually like a budget build that I threw back together. I've done this in the past where I kind of put together a system, either sell it, use it, that kind of thing. But a lot of people are interested in these because they'll do like a single GPU mining rig, and that's what it could be used as. This one's going to be going to my cousin. I don't think I'll be able to convince him to do mining, but I'm gonna show you what it's working with. So we have a GTX 1080 and a Core i7 11700. Let me flip the camera around and show you what we're making on it. As for aesthetics, it is not the most beautiful thing in the world. It does have a pretty good looking 1080 in there, but it's got a deep cool extended cooler on it with just one puller fan, and it's got an old Asus case on it that, unfortunately, due to the extra large cooler, the side panel won't fit on there. But for a budget build, it's not bad. It'll definitely be able to play some games. Now, I went ahead and threw Windows on it and booted up the NiceHash Quick Miner. I didn't want it to go download a bunch of stuff because I don't know if I'll be able to convince him to actually start mining, because I've tried in the past and it didn't work back then. But just throwing it on there. My 1080 on here is only doing 24.7. I did the optimize. If I reset it to default, it only does 20 mega hash. I know 24 is a little low. I think that's because I don't know if the quick miner, at least the test quick miner, enables the ETH pill, because this should be doing in the low to mid 30s. But even with all things considered, mining on that 11700 and mining on that 1080 are doing about 90 cents a day. So I mean, we could extrapolate the data here. We're looking at a solid, and maybe I need to show him this. We got 90 cents a day times 365. He could be earning $328.50 per year if we don't pay for power. All right, jumping on over here, I pulled up the profitability calculator, and if we're doing 90 cents a day mining Ethereum, a 1080 is going to cost us about 29 cents a day in power. So we're only profiting 62 cents. Oh, the power actually just flickered right there. Ooh, I bet a bunch of rigs are turning it off and turning it right back on right now. That comes out to $4.31 profit a week. You could get like a value meal with that. Absolutely. 4 for 4 at Wendy's. Wouldn't be able to pay for the tax on it though. $18 a month. Ladies and gentlemen, this is literally free money. So just know where you came from. All right. Anyway, guys, we're going to keep it short and sweet. Hope y'all have a good one. Before we get off here, I did want to go over the coin market cap and take a look at the prices. So that way, when we're watching this video way off in the future, oh no, we lost internet. It's not loading because we had a little power spike. Bear with me. All right, we're back and we have internet, and as of 1 a.m. on August 16th, Bitcoin is $23,936. Ethereum's right behind it at $1,869, down 5% in the last 24 hours. Further down the list, we don't care about any of those guys, but Dogecoin, 7.8 cents, down 1% in the last 24 hours. Gonna round it out with Ethereum Classic, the cockroach, $40.83, and it's down 4.7%. It looks like almost everything's down. Well, we got notable mentions here: Litecoin, $60.36, and Monero XMR, $164.17. So if you're back watching this way off in the future, hi mom, hope I bought or sold or mined the correct coin. We'll be looking back at this being like, oh my God, Bitcoin was only 23,000. Why didn't I buy 5 of them? Because they're 400,000 now. By the way, this is not financial advice. I'm a guy in a plastic box. Please do your own research, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.